Alright everyone, Steve Howe here for another video, and hope you're doing awesome today. I decided to do this a little different, just flip the camera around in my home office here, working on a couple projects, great day, and wanted to basically share one concept with you that is relatively simple, but once you get this, it has a lot of profound effect in your life and business. And it's simply this. I want you to get out of your own way and stop waiting for things to be perfect. Stop waiting to have all the pieces and all the stars align and all the green lights. And the thing is, we can second guess so many different things. The timing is never going to be perfect. So what I want you to do is just get moving, okay? There is probably, and this is something worth writing down, there's probably a dozen, if not 100 or 200 mistakes that you need to make before the light bulb goes off, before you finally get it, before you have that inspiration and you truly understand how to do something, because that's part of life, right? It takes learning something, but not just head knowledge. Then it takes applying what you're learning, right? And then it takes making mistakes, and then you're like, okay, that's not quite how it's done. This is how it's done. And you repeat that process, and you get up and you're a little bit stronger, and then you fall down and then you get back up again. So I have the blessing and the opportunity to speak with students every day, and basically a reoccurring theme, especially with new students, with new real estate investors, is they spend, and I made the same mistake myself, they spend so much time getting ready to get ready. Like, oh, Steve, like, can you check out my website or business cards or this or that? You know, I have to have this message perfect, or this email or this letter, or all these things in a row, right? I have to have the perfect LLC created. And guys, a lot of the fancier stuff you can add on as you get going. To start this business, this real estate business, to start any business, it takes a lot of momentum in the beginning. So what I want you to do is just make a commitment to get out of your own way. And I know this is hard because, what it comes down to a lot of times is that fear of failing, the fear of the unknown, and just that pride. Like, we don't want to look like an idiot, right? That's the honest truth. So we're constantly watching videos, watching training, and if we're honest, for the most part, we tend to spend more time watching and learning and trying to get it all perfect rather than going out there being vulnerable. That's the big thing. Another thing I want you to write down: just put yourself out there, be vulnerable. It's okay to make a mistake. It's okay to fail. Stop getting ready to get ready and just get moving. Focus on the income producing activities in your business. Track the actions that you're taking on a daily basis. How many letters are you sending out? How many people are you talking to, sellers and buyers? How many emails are you sending out? How many ads are you posting? How many mailers are you doing? How many videos are you doing? Like, what are you truly doing that's going to progress your business forward? And a big thrust of that, guys, in the beginning is marketing. You got to be doing a lot of marketing. So stop worrying about, LLCs and, business cards and websites. You can do, fancy business hotlines and phone numbers and all this stuff. Build your business lean, but just get moving, okay? And don't worry about falling down. You're going to make some mistakes, but failure is one of the best teachers. So guys, I hope this message and this video resonates with you. It took me a long time for this kind of light bulb to go off, and it's just a reoccurring theme that I've seen, with students and people that I've spoken to, and it's powerful when you get this and you just say, you know what? I'm gonna be vulnerable. I'm just gonna get moving. I'm gonna mess up. But guys, when you have those pain points, when you mess up, you tend to not forget them. But guess what? If you try to watch a course, not saying that courses are bad. You need courses. You need mentors. You need wise people that you're listening to and bouncing ideas off of. But guys, believe it or not, even the best courses, the best video, the best type of stuff like that, you forget those. But when you go out there and you're mixing it up and you're taking action and you're putting in the time and you mess up and it's painful, you're not going to likely forget that. You're going to learn. and you're gonna do better the next time. And that's just what it takes. So guys, I just want to be very real with you in this video, and I want to encourage you that you can do it. You might not believe in yourself, my friend, but if you're doing the smart thing of watching this video and you're part of this community, my friend, you can do it. So keep doing the right things. Keep your head down. Keep focused. Keep working hard. Make yourself vulnerable, and good things will happen when you put in enough time. So just keep going, okay? So that's all I have for you in this video. I hope this resonates with you. If you've enjoyed this video, like this, share this, comment below, commit, let us know in the comments what you're committed to doing and changing. Guys, it starts with making that decision. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much.